Hey everyone, welcome back to Boost Vlogs. Today's video is going to be a life changer for those of you looking to make some extra money online. We'll be diving into the world of Toloka. Let's start with the basics. Toloka is like your digital side hustle hub. It connects businesses with folks like you worldwide for online gigs. Anything from tagging pics to other cool tasks. Now, let's get you rolling on Toloka. I'll guide you through signing up, navigating like a pro. For all you beginners out there, stick with me. I've got the lowdown on the easiest tasks to kickstart your Toloka journey. You'll be raking in cash in no time. So before we get started with the video, click on the subscribe button and hit on the like button, which will help to reach more people. Alright then, let's start the video. Open your favorite browser and search for Toloka. Go to this site. And after that, click on Login. And I will select Sign in from Google. After that, you should enter your phone number and verify it by providing the code. And provide your personal details and accept their policies. And after that, select your language and complete the profile. To do any task, we should do this English test. So take the English test. And answer for these simple questions like this. And after that, submit your answers. And come to your task tab. And you will find different kind of tasks like this. I will select a random task like this and I will read the instructions that it say. And from this task, I need to select the correct audio with correct pronunciations. So I will do this simple task like this, and I will submit it. And after doing some tasks, I have earned this much of amount. So like that way, do these simple tasks, and you can earn more than $5 per week. And you can withdraw the earned money from this site using Payoneer, or you can use any other payout methods from this site. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to making money online with Toloka. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And subscribe to Boost Vlogs for more content and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.